Hey gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best truck tent that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance.
At number 1, we have Joytutus Pickup Truck Tent. Joytutus Pickup Truck Tent fits most trucks with 6.5 feet bed and is designed for two-person use during car camping. Made using polyester Oxford material with waterproof coating, this tent helps keep the inner space clean and protected from rain or moisture. Its construction supports outdoor use in changing weather, providing better coverage for travel, hiking, or fishing. With a spacious layout, this rectangular tent offers room for rest and gear organization. The floor width and height allow comfortable movement inside. Its layered structure includes a rainfly, helping reduce water exposure during storms or wet conditions. The air-filled mattress can be placed easily on the truck bed to improve rest during outdoor stays. Joytutus Truck Tent includes multiple ventilation windows that offer both airflow and a clear outside view. These openings can be adjusted based on need, while internal shading helps block unwanted light or debris. The mesh layers support privacy and also maintain a neat environment. The tent structure can be assembled with fiberglass poles provided in the package. Instructions are included to guide the setup process. Once placed correctly, it stays firm on the truck bed and can be packed again into the carry bag after use. Its practical design helps keep equipment organized using built-in mesh pockets inside the tent. Compatible with multiple vehicle models such as Ford 150, Ram, Silverado, Tundra, Sierra, and Titan, this truck bed tent provides a convenient camping solution. Whether for short road trips or outdoor stays, it supports comfort and quick access to sleeping space without leaving your vehicle. At number 2, we have Quictent Pickup Truck Tent. Quictent Pickup Truck Tent offers a comfortable outdoor shelter for two-person use during road trips, camping, or tailgate adventures. This rectangular shaped tent fits multiple truck bed sizes ranging from 5.0 feet to 8.2 feet. Designed with waterproof fabric and seam sealing, the setup helps keep the interior dry and clean in various seasons. The overall structure includes a sealed floor that resists rainwater and protects from ground moisture. The tent space allows movement and rest inside, with an approximate width of 81 inches and height of 63 inches, supporting better airflow and room for gear. A removable awning attached to the door extends outdoor coverage, offering shade or protection during light rain. Quictent Truck Tent supports year-round use by creating a barrier against strong weather. The fabric and rainfly provide coverage from water, wind, and dust. Whether used during summer heat or heavy rain, the outer layer acts as a shield while keeping the bed space organized. The interior design has convenient access and can be packed into a carry bag once disassembled. The setup process is fast and suitable for those who seek easy assembly during short outdoor stops. The removable awning offers flexibility when extra shade is needed or can be folded when not in use. Compatible with various truck types, this truck bed tent provides a reliable space for relaxation without needing a traditional campsite. Whether planning weekend outings or enjoying longer drives, the Quictent bed tent combines space and weather resistance, making it ideal for users seeking comfort on their trips. At number 3, we have Liberrway Truck Bed Tent. Liberrway Truck Bed Tent offers a suitable shelter for outdoor adventures, road trips, and camping activities. This model fits pickup truck beds between 5.5 feet to 6 feet and is designed to accommodate two-person comfortably. Made from strong polyester Oxford fabric with a waterproof coating, the structure helps maintain a clean and dry inner area during rainfall or moisture exposure. The tent comes with double-layered walls and mesh windows that allow air to pass freely while also protecting from insects. The use of thick fiberglass poles helps hold the shape, keeping the tent stable during wind or uneven weather. With sufficient headroom and floor width, The design gives space for 2 people to rest and move easily. Multiple mesh pockets help in organizing small items, while a hook on the top can hold a light during night hours. The door and windows can be adjusted to view the surroundings or block out wind as needed. This setup is compatible with several popular truck models like Chevrolet Silverado, Dodge Ram, Ford F-Series, Nissan Frontier, and Toyota Tacoma. The tent comes with clearly marked poles and sewn instructions on the carry bag for easier installation. Once camping is done, all parts can be placed back inside the bag without hassle. Suitable for spring, summer, or fall, this truck bed tent. At number 4, we have Joytutus Truck Tent. Joytutus Truck Tent in gray-blue color is a practical choice for outdoor travel, offering reliable shelter for those who enjoy camping or hiking. Designed to fit pickup beds measuring 6.5 feet, this model suits vehicles like Ford F-150, Ram, Silverado, Sierra, Tundra, and Titan. The tent is structured with polyester Oxford fabric and a 2,000mm waterproof coating that helps shield from rain and moisture during unpredictable weather conditions. Its straight-aisle design helps create more usable space, providing a better area for movement and comfort. The structure offers enough space for 2 persons to rest inside, making it suitable for couples or solo travelers seeking extra room. A sky view mesh roof allows natural light in and gives a clear sight of the sky at night, which can enhance the overall camping experience. Ventilated mesh windows on 4 sides help fresh air move inside while keeping the inner zone protected from insects or dust. The fabric-covered floor helps reduce contact with ground dampness and adds to the dry environment inside the tent. The setup process is simplified using clearly marked poles and step-by-step instructions that assist even beginners in completing assembly without confusion. Organizing items becomes easier with mesh bags placed inside the structure. After use, everything can be packed back into the included carry bag for smooth storage. Whether setting up in a forest area, near a lake, or during a mountain trip, this model supports stability and ease of use. It helps make pickup truck camping more enjoyable by combining comfort, open-air experience, and proper weather protection. At number 5, we have Lanceton Pickup Truck Tent. Lanceton Pickup Truck Tent is made for those who enjoy outdoor adventure while needing a reliable shelter setup. Designed to fit truck beds between 5.5 feet and 6.5 feet, this structure offers enough space for up to 3 persons to rest during hiking, fishing, or traveling. Made from high-density polyester Oxford with 3,000mm water-resistant coating, the surface keeps water out and helps maintain a dry and clean interior throughout your journey. A waterproof bottom layer helps block ground moisture, making it easier to place an air-filled bed inside without concerns about wet conditions. Large mesh-covered windows allow airflow, creating a more breathable environment during warm nights. The strong pole system holds the structure firm against wind, giving support and shape in changing weather conditions. Double-layer openings help protect against insects while still keeping fresh breeze inside. For privacy, flaps on windows and door can be zipped closed. The internal area provides height space for movement and comfort without feeling cramped. An extra pipe opening placed at the rear window area connects the truck cabin with the tent, allowing access to items or power sources directly from the truck's interior. A clear instruction manual and color-marked poles make the assembly process simple and quick, even for someone working alone. After use, the tent parts can be packed into a compact storage bag without difficulty. Whether parked by a river or in a forest, this pickup tent becomes a comfortable setup that blends shelter, space, and convenience in one solution for travel needs. It supports several pickup models like Ford F-150, Ram, Silverado, Tundra, Sierra, and Titan. We believe that you like our best product. Our request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comments section, tell me which product you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.